We just arrived at Boracay, Camarines Norte. That's like 2 towns away from Diet. So I wasn't able to video anything from Manila, but it took us like, I guess, 6 hours. We left at 11 p.m. Jama is getting our breakfast ready, and then after that we will hop into our boat going to Calaguas. So I hope you can hear me, guys, because I'm using a new camera. Meet Jason. He just decided last night if he's going to join us or not. He's also a solo traveler. That's what I'm talking about. Don't wait for your friends or anyone kasi mga drawing sila. Are you ready, guys? Holy moly! This is how the place looks like. But we are not staying here because this is our boat going to Calaguas. Masaya nito, kukunti lang tayo. Are you having fun, guys? So ito na yung game na tayo. Para lang alam nyo, taga San Vicente din po kami sa may Daet. Binabati ko nga pala mga pinsan ko. Oy, maganda dyan ah. This is amazing. I'm already enjoying my ride. Don't forget, guys, Jamalero Travel and Tours. And my channel, of course, Xian Stoi. Don't forget to subscribe cause I need more subscribers. I don't know, guys, if you ever heard of Bisayang Hilaw, the foreign vlogger in Visayas. Then I must be the German Kinilaw. We got another vlogger here today. Woo! Cholo Phonography. Check out his vlogs on YouTube. We got a birthday celebration today. Are you having fun, guys? Yeah! Interlude. Wala na namang ginagawa matino. Some next level sunbathing shit. This is already Calaguas, because Calaguas is actually Calaguas Group of Islands. It's not just one place. Hawak-hawak kami yung alak. Sabi nyo, lasing na naman si Stoi. Hello! Bakit di sila kumakaway? Ba't ganun mga tao dito? I think they're already tired. I believe they've been here since Thursday. So just us, hopefully no one is on the beach, so I can make better pictures. I know I'm getting fat, guys. Don't judge me because I'm not judging you. Hello! How are you guys? Hi! Hindi ako titigil. Ayun! Nangyari sa mga tao. What's wrong with the people? No more happy feelings? Ito na, Calaguas na ba to? Ito na yung ano? Ito na ba yun? Alright, we're almost there. So this is the beach we are going to stay. Already looks amazing. So we arrived now at Calaguas.
Paalala sa mga bangkang aalis, magpaalam muna kayo sa Coast Guard, mag-logbook muna kayo.
Gagalit si Kuya eh. No, because as you can see, everyone is leaving this place, as I mentioned, because today is Sunday and we just arrived. It's just our place. It's just for us. Are you enjoying the heat, guys? So much? So much not. Foreigners, they will enjoy this heat. For Filipinos, we like to be here, the shade, sunshade. Here's our cottage. Provided, inclusive of the package from Jamalero. Kasama to, itong mga tents, atin yan. So I think in 30 minutes or an hour, they are preparing for our lunch. Also inclusive. So let's explore a little bit. I'm in the heat again, just for vlogging. Vlogging is life. It's really similar to Boracay. If you're okay with camping and no electricity at the night, no, at night I think they have electricity, but if you're okay not having a hotel room, just tents, then I recommend this place. Guys, lunch is ready! What do we got for lunch? Ooh, Filipinos can't live without rice. Fish, sinantonan. This is a kind of fruit. Basta ginagulay yan, di ko ma-explain sa English. Adobo, fish again, sinigang, and fruits. Di ba pa tayo kakain? Kakain na ako, manguna na ako. Bahala kayo dyan. Sarap ng kain namin. Buhay pa. Ba't may tali ang kamay? Ano ba to? Balag ulamin dapat? Wawa naman. Hawakan mo. I just removed the string. Probably someone was playing with it. Run free! Run free! Kamusta naman dyan sa Mansion 1?
Good morning!
Balag niya ba mag-ano doon? Lakad papunta doon? Hindi. May nagsabi sa akin eh. Oh, decide na kayo. Akit kayo. Mauuna na ako. Oh, sabay na kayo sa akin. Ako na yung coordinator. Trekking. Alam namin na trekking to. Yay! Saan tayo iikot?
Sir, dyan. Yes, may mga flag na yan.
Ayan yung paakyat.
Yes, sir.
Kung natuloy ako dito mag-isa, hindi ko na pala alam saan ako pupunta. But it's actually really fun here outside. In the land, in the province. At dito na yan, may bayad na 20. Ay, libre nyo ako, aba. So we had to pay 20 pesos entrance fee. That's the first gate. Yes, first payment. So we have to pay another 20 pesos somewhere there. You know why? I don't know why. Because the two lands here are owned by someone else. We already made it this far. Oy, duda ako dyan sa asong yan. Kanina pa tayo sinusundanan eh.
Ay, ka na po.
Oo, sa baba pa. Taga saan ka? Huwag kang sasagot. Kasi tatakbo ako. Are you having fun, guys?
Nabibiktima nung malapit na.
Oo nga, hindi na ako nadala sa ganyan. Napagod ka, no? Sama ka ng sama sa amin eh. Magandang hapon po. Kala ko po walang tao eh, libre na. That's what I'm talking about. Sometimes you have to make a little effort to see more beautiful places like this. Trust me, if you're on top of this, like this hill, or if you're at the beach and there's a little bit of silence, you'll appreciate your life a little bit more. My advice to you guys, don't wait for others. Travel alone, travel solo, because you ain't got enough time in your life. Maybe I'll be back here because of the sunrise. Maybe should have chosen the sunrise, not the sunset. But it's okay. It's okay. You don't see that every day. Carabao. Water buffaloes. Now I feel like a backpacker tourist. They left me behind. I'm all by myself. All by myself. Good evening.
Good evening po, everyone.
Magandang gabi po. Wala pa ba yung alak natin? Yung Alfonso. Are you having fun, guys? What's our dinner for today? Watermelon. What do you call this? Pork belly? Liempo, whatever. It's a big fish. Are you having fun? Good morning, everyone. It's 6 o'clock. Now I have to admit, this place, it's maybe better than Boracay. And the best thing about this place, just few meters away, it's already this deep. Yeah, maybe not in favor for you guys, but I like it. So I had a nice swim. Let's see what's for breakfast for today. Good morning, breakfast is ready. Our chef Kuya Bong. Are you heavy? Our morning swim. The best places I've ever been. I mean, that suits me for my height is Calaguas Island and this place. I really invite these kids. Hello! Breakfast is ready. We got fried rice, salted egg, longanisa, hot dogs, laing. This is the best one. That's Bicol style. I actually appreciated more this place today than yesterday. I don't know why. You can see. This place is stunning. This is it. We have to say goodbye from this place. Actually, this beach is named Mahabang Buhangin, Long Sand or Long Beach. Oh, so freaking hot. Bye guys! Mamimiss ko kayo! Bye guys! Wala naman tao. Bye-bye! Isa lang ang kumaway. Kumusta po ang ating biyahe? Kumusta po ang Calaguas experience, kuya? Si kuya po ang ating cook. Siya po nagluto ng lahat ng masasarap. Are you having fun, guys? Lando pa lang talaga mag-uwi na. Sobrang lalim yan? Pwede na lumusong?